Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure Windows is updated and you're signed in as an administrator. Open Settings and create a restore point before major changes. Once done, check optional features and enable App Installer so the store can register app packages. You'll also run Windows Update to pull missing components. These steps prevent simple failures and prepare the system. They're quick but crucial, and they let you proceed safely into reinstallation and deeper troubleshooting. You now perform the core repair. Open PowerShell as an admin and remove or re-register the store with getapps package and addapps package commands. Once done, reset Microsoft Store via Settings Apps Advanced Options to clear cached data. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands fix corrupted packages and missing dependencies. Make sure to restart between steps, so services reinitialize and changes. Finish by signing back into your Microsoft account and launching the store. Install a small free app to confirm functionality. If it still won't open, create a new admin user to rule out profile corruption and migrate settings once confirmed. Make sure Windows Update and Microsoft Store services are running. If problems continue, check Event Viewer for error codes and use the built-in troubleshooter. One key tip: verify background intelligent transfer service and Windows Update are enabled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.